beautiful day. Waimea. We're up here, we're gonna soft wash this roof. Do gutters, do a complete house wash. I'm just looking to make sure, checking all the shingles. They had a couple that were blown off. Right over here. And yeah, so the boys are gonna get on this, gluing those shingle pieces down, just with some roofing cement. It looks like another little piece is ripped right here. Checking the chimney. We just go around and doing a little visual inspection first before we start. This roof has definitely had its day. And I'm just going to soft wash it. There's not really any intense mold. Maybe some here and there. And that's where the gutter got hit by the storm. Took that out. Our trampoline fell into their yard, blew over here and hit it. I'm just checking everything. Those look like it could have a couple nails put in. Everything else I see mold all along these sides. You can see it building up in the cracks there. Just make sure we get that really good. And then same up here, we're gonna soft wash this. It looks like it's got oxidation. I'm gonna got Zion up here strapping up. Just going around and patching these ripped up shingles from the storm and whatnot. Dan's back here wetting down all the garden. So if we get any overspray, yeah, just everything soak it. Yeah, top down. And then we'll come back and got a lot of rot in this one. You can see all these spots that somebody's tried to patch her up. So what we do in this instance, instead of running the big soft wash gun and wasting product.
Right here, there's a bunch of lavender that we could
just pull out and
pull up and spray.
Yeah, just cut them back. So you can see the. So we just take the little pump up sprayer, mix up our solution, and we douse it. And we spray down so it doesn't get on the other side. That way our stuff isn't going all over. It's really, really simple. I'm up here hitting it really quick. Hey Zion, before you don't think you'll hit those, do you? Does he need to come over here and spray?
Well, he should come over here and hit him, but
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to be that bad.
Okay, just in case. You can see the soap puffs bubbling. It's doing its job. I don't know if we can see in the camera, but right there you can see that stuff. It's just activating it, especially in the sun.
Look, they got a bunch of straight lines up here.
Yeah, this roof isn't the straightest, but so yeah, what he's doing is getting it really nice and coated at one good time. Let that stuff do its work. I built a nice beer garden here. And little thing in the side. right? Don't go too close. Put your harness on.
That whole little ride right
This is such a nice day to do this. So they're pretty clean. If you guys do these things, these are the new style dryer bins that you gotta clean out while you're up here just to give it to them. They catch on fire on these and get the person in trouble with their insurance company. So we clean them out. And this last little bit, and then we'll just go right from the ground and just shoot that up. I want to shoot that way to get these. Careful, stop. Yep, don't go too far. Dan's not over here to spray. Let me get the other hose. Wet these down really good. Dan's on the other side. Wetting the other side down. Just any overspray. Just makes little dots and even the soap foam residue. Just wet it down. Got some over here too. Keep it wet, really wet. Almost smells like a gym locker. The mold and mildew musty smell. We've just got the Softwash pump coming out of the back of the truck, leading up to him. Just keep a steady stream of water. Sorry for the wind, but yeah, you can see over this side. I'm shooting from the bottom. And what it does is you can get up in these cracks underneath the shingle. You can see it foaming and working right now. What it does is it gets, you spray up into it, you can get this bottom to come off like that. See it all bubbling. So yeah, you get to do it from that side. This side's the worst side of the house. You can't really see all the roofing stuff coming down. You can't really use pressure on this, or you'll start losing the grit from the shingle. Stops doing its job. Let me move the ladder over to this this side, and then I'll hit the rest of this bottom. And then over on this side. Give me a little bit more hose. Get more distance with it like this. That stuff just falling off. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. This comes right off. It's crazy. Just on this side now. Shooting my can down, you can see it just chunking up. It's ready to come off. Yeah, John, get over here and keep. I'm just up here hitting this. Got more of a water solution now, and just getting it really softly. You don't want to remove any of the rocks from the roof. Just real softly do this. Spray up just a little bit. Get all those trunks, see them all just coming down. Look at that. Let it sit 30 minutes or so, 30, 45 minutes, and then it just started turning white. Once the mold turns white, then you can just come back and hit it and it comes right off. We're just rinsing it down. Low pressure. That's the hose. Big piece down. Next big rain would have taken it down, but we want to clean it up so the homeowner doesn't have chunks all over. Then we'll clean these gutters out again. Given the fence over here, we had already sprayed it earlier. Let it sit an hour or so. It's coming out great. Why?
Got no pressure with that thing on.
Oh really? Oh, then try it right now. Let him shoot that down. Yeah, that stuff from up top already came down. It looks like it's just that bottom.
What's up?
It's not too bad. It's only about the last 8 feet there.
Yeah.
It's coming off easier now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Way easier. Just shooting it down. We put a couple temporary. Their gutter has fallen down here, so we put a couple temporary gutter pins in it. See, this stuff is just lost its hold. Yeah, I'll turn that light color from orange, bright orange. And it's getting it down there really well. We're just gonna shoot down these gutters. You can see this fence now. Nice and shiny. lost everything over time. Hit all the cobwebs. So it's back here doing the inside of the fence. It'll just keep going too. This nice shot up here. It's so nice. You can see the ranch, everything up here. I know the wind's gonna be crazy. Put it down and block it some.